Hey guys, we're going to do another giveaway, and I'm just down here in the kitchen shed, and this is where I started 23 years ago. The business has been going for 25 years, end of this year, 25 years. This is our original kitchen shed. There's our Bradesville Cup sign. So this is the original shed. That was my workbench there, where I started 23 years ago. Here's the spray booth in here. This is the wrap room in here. And we got a lot of people come to the factory for different reasons, fit outs and measure ups, things like that. Everyone's always amazed. That the comment always is, "Wow, I didn't know you're so big," and all that sort of stuff. It's on 4 acres here, and I built this factory here. Me and my brother built this factory here. Me and my dad built this factory here, and then me and the apprentices built that factory there. We used to, every Friday, Harvey, we'd knock off at lunchtime and work on this factory here. So put every bit of concrete, steel. I cut down a lot of trees. There's a massive tree here, lots of big trees in there. There was trees everywhere, big trees, big utes, and I cut them all down and built these sheds. This is our main drawer factory here. Bit of a cold day today, so a lot of the boys have got the doors down. But this is where I do all the drawers in here. I'll do a bit of a walk around later, I'll show you a bit more, but yeah, the drawers factories are here. Look at that, pumping out lots of drawers. And the other drawer factories here. Anyway, so what I was thinking of doing is doing a bit of a giveaway. We'll do a tour of the Drifter factory. We'll do a bit of a comp and maybe just enter if you'd like to win. I don't know how we'd pick a winner, but here's our drawer factory down here. Lots going on, and we'll just put a comment if you'd like to win a personal tour. I'll do it myself. You can come down the bottom, meet us here one day, any day you like. We'll negotiate that, what suits, and organise personal tour of the whole factory, the whole 4 acres. Come and see what we do, say get to the staff, all the way from the kitchens to the drawers, to our dispatch, to our CNC, to our canvas and our fit outs. And show you a bit about what Aussie manufacturing is all about. I don't think a lot of people don't understand how much is involved and what's involved behind the scenes making all the things we make, but why not come and have a look? So yeah, just comment if you'd like to sort of win, why you'd like to have a look at an Aussie manufacturer factory. Hey mate, here's our CNC machine, and this is our fit out department. Anybody who orders anything online gets wrapped and packed in here. So we'd have a look in here, all the girls wrapping and packing, and I'll work out with you what's a good time. You come here, full tour, I'll take you down for lunch, shout your lunch. It maybe say 4 people or something like that, and here's our fit outs areas in here, and we'll end up in the shop, and I'll give you a $100 credit voucher in the shop. Here's all of our leather work. Steve-O's making belts. There he is. This is making our legs. Alex making legs. General fab in here. This is our fit out department. So it'll take about an hour. And Nelson, how long have you been here for, Nick?
20 years.
20 years. My first employee, Nick. And either he must be a good bloke or I'm a good bloke because he's still here. Maybe a bit of both. 20 years, how's that? His first job, my first employee, still working here 20 years later. And he's upstairs. Here's our canvas room. All the girls. I don't know why only girls want to work up here in the canvas. Not sure why that is, but they love it. Look at that up there. Cutting. All cutting, shirts, more cutting out here. It's all canvas. And people, when they do a tour, you know, people, wherever it's, you know, someone showing around, it's always amazed to see everything down there. The next thing you come up here and it's like, wow, this goes on forever, which it does, you know. So we've got cutting over there, we've got CNC machine here, there. So that's the deal. If you wanted to enter, just comment below why you'd like to have a look at an Australian manufacturer. We'll pick a winner and we'll get you to come and have a tour. Say good day to all the staff. See what it means to be an Australian manufacturer. And I'll take you for lunch in the beautiful little town of Gloucester. Alright, so that's it. Thanks guys.